I am a little ghost flying in the air. I'm going to show you a really super simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy chant to sing with your young language learners. And I'll also show you how to make this ghosty paper puppet too. So first of all, let's do the chant and then we'll get on to making it in just 1 second. So I am a little ghost flying in the air. My eyes are big and black to give you a stare. I am a little ghost flying in the air. I have no arms or legs. I have no hair. I am a little ghost flying in the air. I come out late at night to give you a scare. Ooh, very scary, very ghosty. Okay, so that is the chant. Really, really simple to teach young language learners. Let's now have a look at how to make this paper puppet. Now, can you guess what it's made out of? Surprise, surprise. It's made out of paper napkins. Ta-da! So we need a few paper napkins, a paper cup with 2 holes in, some glue, scissors and a stapler. So you're going to have your paper cup, cut 2 holes in the bottom and put some, we need also some ribbon. So you're going to feed the ribbon through, do a knot. So that's where we're going to hold the paper puppet from. Then just get a few paper napkins like these. Just going to keep it folded like that. Get some scissors, have some scissors, cut a little angle off right at the top there. Open it up so it's like that. And then just thread through your ribbon. There we are. So there we have the beginning of our paper puppet, our ghosty paper puppet. You can do maybe 2 or 3 of those. And I'll just show you on this one because I've got some googly eyes on there. I'm just going to show you the googly eyes. So thread it through, something really simple that your students can do too. Just stick 2 googly eyes on and you already have a mini paper puppet already. Now, if you want to put some little floaty parts on your paper puppet. Another napkin, all you need, get your napkin out, cut some strips of the napkin like this, just very, very quickly, just some strips like this, da 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 da. I'm just really, really roughly doing it, just to give you a really quick demonstration. Open it up carefully, because otherwise it rips the paper. Open it up like that, and there you have your little floaty bits. Get a few of those together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I've got here. A few of those. Then staple them on the inside of your cup. Can you see? Let me just show you. I've got so many napkins. On the inside of the cup, just staple them inside. And there you have, in just 2 minutes, your paper ghosty puppet ready for the chant. Give it a go and let me know how you get on. And remember, be theatrical.